Welcome to the Dental Studios YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about toothbrushes. There are lots of different types of toothbrushes out there. Electric toothbrushes, are manual toothbrushes, brushes with a small head, there's toothbrushes with a square head, single tufted toothbrushes, mind-boggling. So today I'm just going to explain what are the important things about toothbrushes. The most important thing is, what does your dentist recommend specifically for your teeth? Now, if you've not been to a dentist yet, it's best that you go along. So, there are many conditions that affect your teeth. There's gingivitis, there's dental decay. You're essentially trying to remove all the germs on your teeth. The germs build up in specific areas. These areas are gingival margin, that's where your teeth meet your gum. Secondly, they build up in between your teeth. Interdental areas, these are the areas that your dentist always tells you to floss. Now, these two spots are the areas where you tend to get most decay. So, to be able to access these areas, you need a specific style of brush. To get in between your teeth, you would need to look at the bristles. The bristles would need to be pointy, almost like the jagged edge of a saw. Okay, so these little pointy serrated style bristles would be able to fit in between your teeth. You imagine your teeth are three-dimensional curves meeting like this, and you would need the bristles to get right in between. So you want to look for a brush that has pointy bristles like that. Second of all, you don't want a brush that's too big. It's not going to get into those difficult to reach areas. You want a brush that's pretty small. These days we're kind of veering towards smaller, rounder brushes, but a slightly rectangular brush style is fine as well. You want to try and make sure your brush is able to access as far back in your mouth as possible. Now, I'm assuming you are brushing twice a day. The next thing to talk about is, should it be electric or should it be manual? Now, there is a lot of options when it comes to electric toothbrushes. You have sonic toothbrushes, some of which are quite expensive, in excess of £100 to £150, and you've got some basic electric toothbrushes which are, let's say, £20 or something. I would say if you're buying an electric toothbrush, there's no point buying something that's £20 because it's not going to do what you want it to do. You may as well just use your manual toothbrush and just make sure you're getting into all those difficult to reach areas along the gum and between your teeth. So, if you decide to go for an electric toothbrush, look out for things like, is it sonic? Does it move at such a frequency, that's the head of the brush, move at such a frequency that it will disrupt the water in your mouth and actually create a floss-like effect to remove plaque and staining. Second of all, you need to look at the size of the brush head. You want to make sure it's nice and small. You want to make sure it's got lots of interchangeable heads so you can do that cleaning along the gum margin and in between your teeth. Saves you a little bit of time. Brushing is very, very important. You can, with a good electric toothbrush, you can get a lot of the plaque off your teeth. We're talking about 80 to 90% of the plaque off your teeth. And in some cases, a lot of the staining as well. You also got to floss your teeth, because flossing will get into those really, really difficult to reach areas in between your teeth. These are the things you need to look out for when it comes to toothbrush. But remember, do check with your dentist what is best for you. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you.